Hello everyone and welcome to the review of the WhatsApp automation tool called Wamation. My name is Ola and in today's video I'll be walking you through everything you need to know about Wamation. So this video is going to be walking you through step-by-step Wamation review with me. So before I dive into this video, I just want to let you guys know that all the tools and the website I'm going to be mentioning in this video, their links are going to be down in the description right now. Just go check them out, and also don't forget to like this video right now, subscribe to my channel, smash that subscribe button right now, and also don't forget to turn on that notification bell at the right corner right now. So with that said right now, yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, I know you guys might be thinking, okay, like what is Wamation? So for those of you who do not know what Wamation is, I will be telling you what Wamation is. So Wamation is an automation tool. Is a WhatsApp automation tool that allows you to automate your marketing effort on WhatsApp. So this tool give you features such as auto save contact, auto responder, broadcast to list, WhatsApp message to all contact that is not unsaved, and it also give you WhatsApp chat bot. It also give you the ability to broadcast to list and groups. So this tool also give you the ability to create forms and landing pages. And what I like about this tool is like it's cloud based. This tool is cloud based. You don't need to install anything. So this tool works on all smartphones. There's nothing to install on your phone. So Wamation is designed to save you time and help you get better results with your WhatsApp marketing campaign. So and also right now I'll be heading over to the website right now to show you what this tool got. So right now let's head over to the website to show you what this tool. Hey guys, so you could see right now I'm on the Wamation tool right now, and this is how the Wamation tool looks like. Like I said, I'll be leaving the link in the description if you know you want to try out the software. So this is the Wamation website. This is how it look like. So it said you could automate your marketing on WhatsApp, save time, make more money, and get better results every single day. And this tool works on all smartphones, nothing to install. And like I said, one thing I love about this tool is that this tool has really helped me a lot in my business. So I could remember when I started using this to made 1 million naira in just 7 days from my business. So when I started using this tool made me 1 million naira to my business. So all I just need right now is to set everything up. So this tool was the one that was automating my WhatsApp for me. It was the one making me sales and doing everything for me. All I just need is just to sit back on my bed. I was just on my bed like watching film, and this tool was the one making me sales to my business. So right now I will be walking you through the features of Wamation. So if you click on this place right now, we'll be able to see the features Wamation. You go see right now, this tool is going to give you the ability to save up contact. No more pains and stress manually saving up contact. So Wamation is going to save them up for you automatically. So this tool is going to save all your contacts automatically. You don't need to start saving up contact. And also this tool also give us a WhatsApp autoresponder. Like I said, just like your email autoresponder, you could also send message to your lead, to your customer at a certain day and at a certain time. So once your customer or list join your list, so you could send message to them. You could use this to follow up with your prospects and your customers. So like I said, I really love this tool a lot. I would advise you guys to go check out this tool, go try out this tool. This tool is a game changer for all entrepreneurs, for all digital marketing out there, for all business owners. Even if you are selling anything you are doing online, you don't really need this tool to start getting massive results, start making a lot of sales. Yeah, so guys, so if you come over to the customer review, you can see right now these are what people are saying about Wamation. So you can see right now this is one of the reviews. You can see this person said Wamation has been a whole lot of game changers for her. So this tool has been getting massive results. And also you can see right now this is another review from Frank Emmanuel. So you can see right now this person said he has made over 1.7 million naira in just weekends thanks to Wamation. Because right now a lot of people are getting massive results with Wamation. So let's check out another review of another person now who has used Wamation. So you can see right now this person said this tool, he said he loved this tool, that this tool has been helping him a lot with his WhatsApp marketing. So this tool was able to, like, you know, change his WhatsApp marketing and start making a lot of sales. So let's come over to another review right here. You could see right here, this person also said Wamation is a great app. So okay, this person said he has been using Wamation for over 6 months now, and it is amazing. This app has been amazing. It does what it does and still beats my imagination to today. Because right now, these are the reviews people are saying about Wamation. Like, guys, this tool is awesome. See, if you are not trying out this tool, you are missing out on a lot of sales. Go try out this tool. Go try out this tool. So because right now, this is another review from, I think, okay, OC Kevin King. So this is from OC Kevin King, CEO of Sabit Monitor, something like that. Shall let's just see what is said about Wamation. So because right now, I converted my lead in just 24 hours after they joined my WhatsApp, thanks to Wamation. Because right now we could use this tool to convert leads from, maybe for example, if you are running Facebook ads, if you are running Instagram ads, if you are running YouTube ads, you could use this tool to convert leads, to convert your leads to paying customers. So let's check out another review. So you can see right now, this person, okay, I think this is an affiliate marketer. Because right now he said he has been using WhatsApp for his marketing and he has been doing it the wrong way, but when he started using Wamation changed everything. Because right now he said it is mad. Wamation is a mad software. Like, this tool is literally crazy. Like, I could remember when I tested the tool, I was just like, I was amazed with the tool. So with that said, let's to come over to their features. Right, which also give you the ability to broadcast WhatsApp message even to contact on save. So like, you can see, this is crazy. You could literally send message to contact that you do not even save on your WhatsApp. You could send message to the contacts you do not save. So you don't have to save contacts, you don't have to like just save them. All you need right now is to start using Wamation to send message to them smoothly. So you could use this Wamation tool to start sending message to contacts that are not on save. And also Wamation also give you WhatsApp chatbot, right? Wow, this is cool. You could literally set a trigger word and corresponding reply. So you could set a trigger word and corresponding reply, whether one word or one word multiple reply. So you could literally undo everything automatically. So what this means is, maybe if you want your customer or lead to reply you with a maybe a word, so Wamation is going to take care of everything. Like, it's going to take care of everything. Like, Wamation is a life stress-free software that you need to start using. And one thing I love about this chatbot is going to be the one, answering all your customers' questions even when you are away. So even when you are not on WhatsApp, when you are not present on WhatsApp, the Wamation WhatsApp chatbot is going to be the one replying to all your customers, to all your leads. Like I said, this tool is crazy. So let's check out. Okay, we could say that these are reviews from people who are using Wamation. So okay, this person said Wamation is an automation software called, okay, you could see that this is really getting a lot of good reviews. It's getting a lot of good reviews. So like I said, yeah, this is another feature that Wamation also offers. So Wamation also give you the ability to broadcast to list and group. So you can literally send broadcast to your list, to your group. Maybe for example, maybe if you have an online class, so if you have an online class that maybe you are tutoring someone, so you could literally set up all the message you're going to be sending to them. Like, you don't need to be present on WhatsApp, just send the message. You could send message to broadcast list, you could send message to group. So with Wamation is going to give you the ability to create broadcast list that you could message. So with just a click of a button, you could send message to individuals, you could even send message to group. So this is a very good feature on Wamation. This is a very good features on Wamation. So guys, Wamation also give you the ability to automate to list and group. So you could literally write a message, save your message on Wamation, and Wamation is going to automatically send them out at the exact day and the exact time you want the message to send out. So like, this is really crazy. So you can literally decide to the time and the day you want to send out message, you want to send out follow-ups to your leads, to your customer. And one thing I love about this tool is that it also give you the ability to personalize all messages. Like, it give you the ability to personalize all message. Like what this means is it give you the ability to call out your lead's name, your customer name. So for example, maybe one of your customers is James, you could give you the ability to personalize their name. You could say, okay, for example, maybe if you want to send the message on Wamation, you could say, hello James, have you done something like this? So it gives you the ability to personalize their names and all of that. So okay, let's go through. You can see right, this tool has a lot of reviews. They are giving this tool a lot of reviews. Like I said, if you are not trying this tool, you are missing out. These are entrepreneurs, business owners, affiliate marketing who are tried the tool and they have started getting results. And also one thing I love about this tool is also give you the ability to create forms and landing pages. So you could receive customer details directly with Wamation forms and landing pages, and your customers. So you also have the ability to get your customers number. So once your customers also fill out their information, just like your your email marketing tool. So once your customers fill out their information, their first name, their WhatsApp number, is going to save it automatically for you on Wamation. This is crazy. So it's going to save it automatically for you on Wamation. And Wamation is a very easy to use, nothing to install. Even a 5-year-old child can operate this tool. This tool is so easy. So even a 5-year-old child can operate this tool. So in my next video, I'll be showing you guys inside. I'll be showing you guys the full tutorial on Wamation. So this video just to give you guys a full review of Wamation. So you could see right there, this tool also have a 247 customer support. So this tool has a 247 customer support in case you have any answers. So you could literally message them at any time and they're going to reply to you. This is crazy. Like I remember when I was when I tried their customer support, like I think it was around midnight, I think 12 o'clock in the midnight, and they replied to me. Like I just tried to like just message them to know, if this software is working. So you could write now, these are their pricing. So Wamation is just 10,000 naira monthly. So Wamation is just 10,000 naira monthly. So it has a yearly, it also has an annual plans, which is the yearly plans. It also has the monthly plans. So the monthly plans is 10,000 naira per month, which is you only have one WhatsApp account. So you only have one WhatsApp account, and the maximum contact you could receive on this account is just 500. And you could literally go through this right now to know much about Wamation. So this is the basic plans, which is just 12,000 naira. And by the way guys, once you use my link, you are gonna get 40% discount of this. Like this is crazy. You're gonna get 40% discounts of this price. So once you use my link, like you just getting away 40% discount of just 12,000 naira. So you could imagine you paying like 5,000 naira or like 3,500 naira for this tool just to try it out. And also these are the yearly plans. So the yearly plans for the starter plans is going to cost you just 90,000 naira per year. So if you want to use it per year, so it's going to cost you 90,000 naira per year. And for the basic plans, it's going to cost you 100,000 naira per year. And with these basic plans, you have the ability to save up to 2,000 contacts on your account. You have the ability to create 5 forms. You have the ability of 5 chatbots and a lot. So you could literally go through this, and this is for the premium plans. So the premium plans is more under than 80,000 naira for a year. That is annually. So let's check out the monthly plans for the premium plans. So the premium price is just 20,000 naira, and like I said, once you use my link in the description, you're going to get 40% discount off this software. So in my next video, I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how you could use this and how you could use this tool to automate your WhatsApp and start getting out better results. That is the reason why I told you guys to subscribe to my channel right now, turn on notifications so you won't miss out on this video. So like don't miss this video, because this tool is going to change your business. It's going to change all your business for you. You're gonna start getting a lot of sales. Like I said, if you love this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video right now, and drop a comment if you have any question for me, and I'm going to see you guys in my next